Welcome, entrepreneurs, to our comprehensive guide on starting a successful mango juice processing factory business in Africa. This is one of the most lucrative businesses in Africa, as we have an abundance of mango fruit in Africa. Join us as we navigate the journey from mango harvesting to producing delicious juice, while exploring the machinery and marketing strategies essential for success. It is time to invest in Africa now. Do not forget to contact us for any machine buying and installation process. Check our WhatsApp number on the video description. Step 1. Mango harvesting. The journey begins with selecting the finest mangoes for juice production. Learn about different mango varieties, optimal harvesting times, and techniques to ensure the highest quality fruit. Building strong relationships with local mango farmers ensures a consistent supply of premium mangoes for your factory. Step 2. Mango sorting and washing. Once harvested, mangoes need to be sorted and washed to remove dirt and impurities. Invest in machinery such as fruit washers and sorting conveyors to streamline this process. Ensuring cleanliness at this stage is crucial for maintaining the quality and safety of your mango juice. Step 3. Mango processing. Next comes the heart of your factory, the mango processing line. Acquire machinery like mango designers, pulpers, and juice extractors to convert whole mangoes into juice efficiently. Opt for equipment that maximizes yield while preserving the natural flavor and nutrients of the mangoes. Step 4. Pasteurization and preservation. Pasteurization is essential for extending the shelf life of your mango juice and ensuring its safety. Invest in pasteurization equipment to heat-treat the juice and eliminate harmful bacteria while retaining its fresh taste. Consider incorporating aseptic packaging techniques for longer shelf stability without refrigeration. Step 5. Packaging and branding. Now that you have freshly processed mango juice, it's time to package it attractively and build your brand identity. Choose packaging materials that are both functional and visually appealing, ensuring they protect the product while standing out on store shelves. Develop a captivating brand logo and design that reflects the natural goodness of your mango juice. Step 6. Marketing and distribution. With your mango juice ready for market, it's time to spread the word and get it into the hands of consumers. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that leverages digital platforms, social media influencers, and experiential marketing events to create buzz around your brand. Forge partnerships with distributors, retailers, and hospitality establishments to expand your reach and maximize sales. Step 7. Continuous improvement and innovation. In the dynamic world of business, staying ahead requires continuous improvement and innovation. Listen to customer feedback, monitor market trends, and invest in research and development to introduce new flavors, packaging formats, or value-added products. By staying agile and adaptive, your mango juice processing factory can thrive in the competitive African market. Step 8. Quality control and assurance. Maintaining consistent quality is paramount in the juice industry. Implement stringent quality control measures at every stage of production, from raw material inspection to final product testing. Invest in laboratory equipment for analyzing parameters such as acidity, sugar content, and microbial levels to ensure compliance with regulatory standards and customer expectations. Step 9. Operational efficiency and workflow optimization. Streamline your factory's operations to maximize efficiency and productivity. Analyze workflow processes, identify bottlenecks, and implement lean manufacturing principles to eliminate waste and optimize resource utilization. Invest in automation technology where feasible to increase throughput and reduce labor costs while maintaining product consistency. Step 10. Supply chain management. Establish robust supply chain management practices to ensure a steady flow of raw materials and components. Cultivate strong relationships with mango suppliers. negotiate favorable terms, and implement inventory management systems to minimize stockouts and disruptions. Explore opportunities for vertical integration by investing in mango orchards or partnering with farmers for a consistent and sustainable supply.
Step 11. Sustainability and environmental responsibility. Incorporate sustainable practices into your factory's operations to minimize environmental impact and enhance brand reputation. Implement measures such as energy-efficient equipment, water recycling systems, and waste reduction initiatives to reduce your carbon footprint. Communicate your commitment to sustainability through eco-friendly packaging, transparent labeling, and corporate social responsibility initiatives to resonate with environmentally conscious consumers. Step 13. Customer feedback and market research. Listen to your customers and conduct regular market research to stay abreast of changing consumer preferences and market trends. Solicit feedback through surveys, focus groups, and online reviews to identify areas for improvement and innovation. Use market insights to develop new products, refine existing offerings, and tailor marketing campaigns to better meet customer needs and expectations. Step 14. Brand building and differentiation. Differentiate your mango juice brand in a crowded marketplace by emphasizing unique selling propositions and value-added benefits. By following these steps and leveraging the right machinery and marketing strategies, you can embark on a journey to build a successful mango juice processing factory in Africa. Join us in our next episode as we dive deeper into each stage of the process and provide practical tips for overcoming common challenges. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights into entrepreneurship in Africa. Together, let's bring the delicious taste of mango juice to the world. Invest in Africa now.